So we talked about the business plan several times throughout this course. So now I'd really encourage you, if you haven't started working on it yet, to start putting it together. So hopefully, you took to heart and put together a little 4 or 5 page sort of mini plan, if you will. And you really thought through a marketing plan as well, which is 4 or 5 pages. Well, guess what? Now you have 10 pages towards a business plan. And a business plan doesn't have to be overly elaborate. A business plan can be 20 pages, 30 pages, depends on what you include. Certainly you are going to have to do things like build a financial model or work with somebody to have one built. And you're going to have to think a little bit more about your sales strategy and who your team is and what your investment strategy is and what their exit strategy is. And we're going to be talking about investment strategy and exit strategy in the next 2 lectures. Nonetheless, your business plan is already halfway there, I would say. So definitely start on putting the whole entire thing together. Now, again, I'm not here to teach you all about writing business plans. Certainly I could and actually do have a course on writing business plans. But that said, you can go out there and Google. Just get some templates. There's free templates out there, and it's essentially fill in the blank. Now, that said, I don't want you to just half-heartedly fill in blanks. I want you to really think about your business plan. And again, it's a business plan. It's a plan for your business. So think through all the steps and really take them to heart. And really think about where you want to bring your company, how you're going to accomplish that, how you're going to implement marketing, sales, what your revenue model is, all of those things need to come together. So that's it. I'm going to leave you. And so after taking this course, I'd encourage you, the next step you should take, if anything, besides thinking about your team and your marketing strategy, is really work on your business plan and coming up with that.